Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Now today we are on the live trading session over here. Yep, let's see what do we have here. Right, okay, so right, okay, so yep, let's take a look. Hi Bradley, hi Hubert, Laura, Caroliano, Roger, hi. 你也是在看这个磅美啊 Okay, so Alan, you're also looking at pound dollar. Okay, so yep, pound dollar tentatively, yeah, I think probably we just need to have to let's take a look. Okay, so can I have the MT4 please? Okay, so yep, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay, let's take a look at pound dollar today. Pound dollar. All right. So let me check what is my focus for the day. All right. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's take a look. My pound dollar. Where is that? Okay. So today. Where's my focus? Okay. Let me check. Right, pound dollar, hang on, pound dollar, hang on. Yeah. All right. So yes, just give me a little while. Let me pull out. Okay, let me pull out the message. Okay. All right. So up to date. This is my focus. Am I right? Okay. So pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. I guess probably pound dollar right now. Hang on first, pound dollar. All right, hang on first. Okay, because let me see this pound dollar. We have about from here over to the support. Okay, tentatively we are looking at about 50 pips. Am I right? 50 pips. Okay, so we have about 50 pips here. Okay, so let's see. Pound dollar, we are now, last hour we had tested the resistance level, correct? Resistance level. So tentatively, okay, I will still see that there's still some chance of asking for a resistance over level. Right now we are testing on this resistance level. Okay, the previous support has become a resistance over here. Okay, pound dollar. So tentatively hang on first because right now with this this is the new cycle of selling, correct? Okay, this is the new cycle of selling. So we from the support here, okay, we have a new cycle, a higher lows over here, testing up to the resistance right here for this range of values here. And now it's actually going for another round. Okay, so by looking at this, all right, so tentatively it's retracing upwards now. Okay, I guess it's going to build another round, okay, of retesting of the resistance before we can actually take action. Okay, so just hang on first. All right, just hang on first. Okay, so tentatively I guess this is not the right time yet. Okay, so just hang on first. All right, hang on first for it to retest the resistance. Okay, all right, so over here, let's see how many pips away. We are about 16 pips away. 16. Okay, right, so yeah, just I think we need a little bit of time for this pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar we still have a way to go. So just hang on. Not now. Okay, this is not the right time yet. Okay, right. All right, so over here, so now let's see, okay, what do we have? Okay, and right now we are dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc. Okay, we are looks like we are very near to the support already. Let's wait for it to break the support first. Okay, so tentatively no, right, no entry first. Okay, so dollar franc, okay, so let's go on to pound franc. Okay, pound franc. All right, pound franc. All right. Okay, guys, in this video we are going to have a live trade here and live sharing. Okay, to talk about this trading for the day. All right, so today is Monday, and over here we are ready to share, and of course we're ready to share. And do remember to smash the like button. Okay, and also give me your subscribe and ring up the bell so that you will get the latest information and also the notification when I go live. All right. Okay. So yep. So now, hang on, guys. Hang on. Okay. Yep. Yes. Just I guess this pound franc. We are also very near to the support. Okay, we are so near to the support right now, so tentatively no. All right, pound dollar again. Okay, pound dollar. All right, testing on the resistance over here. Yes, there's one resistance here. Okay, as we can look out for. Okay, so tentatively I would say that we have to be very careful with this pound dollar, because as you can see the trend here, we are building up a higher lows, higher support, correct? And until we met up with a resistance over here in H1. So over at this side here, it seems like it has went through one round. Okay, tested this area. All right, tested this area of support, which become a resistance over at this area, and it started to swing down with one continuity, and it looks like it's going to create another trending of a lower high. Correct? It's going to create one lower high, one lower high over here. So it looks very potential to sell. Okay. However, right now, okay, we are looking at this lower time frame of H1 here. Let's see. When you go down to a lower time frame, it goes into the details. Correct? All right. สวัสดีครับ168สบายดีมาก All right. Okay. So today we only have one English session over here. So the Mandarin session is not available today. So well, for those who can understand a little bit of English, okay, you can join in here. All right. Okay. So 在这边呢，今天的中文台就是不在哈 ，OK， 那么呢可以在这里看看，如果有听不明白的，可以发上中文，那么我来为你翻译而解答。Okay, so let's come back English, all right? Okay, so over here, all right. So I'm now looking at this pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. I'm explaining on pound dollar over here that we can see it's actually swing down. Okay, the swing down over here, right? So it's swing down over here. I actually put it smaller. All right. Sawadee krap om. Right. So over here is still my profitable space, as I can see. All right. So over at this part here, it is still within the space here that I am good for trading. All right. I'm still good for trading. All right. So over at this point, I still find that there's still something good. Okay, but of course for pound dollar, it has already exceeded my expectation over this area, and this area for sharing. All right. So over here, this part we can see the potential of this pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar is the potential of selling. Okay, so I'm looking at about 50 50 pip. Okay, so now it's testing on the resistance. One tested once, coming down as a lower resistance over here, now coming back here. So it can I sell now immediately? I would say hang on, because right now it is in the struggling. Okay, so if I'm going to sell, all right, so over here the new strength 陆双 C 冲破线 C 发线 C 线发 over here, and now 线考, and now I'm waiting for break candle a resistance below 线望. Okay, so purple line over here. Okay, I have of course in my system here. So over here I'm waiting for a new resistance below, okay, below this area, so that then I will start selling. Okay, so tentatively it is still going to hover around. Okay, seems like it's respecting the purple line here, the moving support over at this area. So still waiting, I'm still waiting. Okay, so right now, okay, be patient. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this pound dollar, okay, pound dollar, we still need to wait for a little while. All right, pound yen, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is also in my list. Okay, so I'm going through again. Pound yen, okay, so pound yen H1 over here, H1. Okay, so we can see now pound yen is seems like it's at the verge of after retesting the resistance from here. Okay, so now it's coming down as a lower resistance right now, so it seems good. Okay, and we just need to go down to the details to see whether is it a good time for us to enter for a trade. All right, so right now if I can see just a simple illustration here. Okay, H4 we have a green red candle, a new cycle of this strength, and a new cycle of selling, okay, coming. Okay, so but the support is of course is very near. All right, from here to here right now. Okay, so we have about 30 pips. Like I said, we have we either we scalp it or we wait for it to break the support, then below with a new resistance after testing the support as a resistance, then we shall start selling. Correct? Okay, so tentatively if we look at simple one, okay, and M30 we are now onto a green candle supporting stuff. The support coming in, okay, from M5 as you can see over here to M15. Okay, so tentatively I will suggest to wait first. Okay, I suggest that you shall wait for the breaking of the support, then we start selling, then that will be much better. Okay, all right. Okay, so pound yen. Okay, now let's take a look at pound franc. Okay, pound franc. Yes. Okay, pound franc, same thing. Okay, we are on the support now, so no. Okay, pound franc definitely no for now. Okay, so how about pound Aussie? Well, pound Aussie looks very good over here. Okay, pound Aussie, we are in the selling trend now, selling off. Okay, so H1 we are coming in. Okay, coming in for a selling already now. It's already selling from the resistance. I guess I should be around here. Okay, so already been selling for about 50 pips already. So tentatively, okay, so pound Aussie have already been selling off, and I don't have a chance to enter. Right now, is it a good time to enter? I would say no. Please be very careful, because as we can see, there's a support over here. There's one support, a minor support over here. So we are very close to it. Okay. Let's see. To be exact, it should be here. So we have about another 26 pips to go. Right. So these 26 pips to go. Yep. Will it be a good time to enter? Well, I would say that right now probably from now on a scalping will be good. Okay, scalping will be good, so that we won't be actually hurting our pocket so much. All right, so build this small. Okay, this one have to build small, right? Okay. All right, and pound Aussie, yeah, pound Aussie. So yes, pound Aussie is still continue the selling. Right, pound Aussie is still continue the selling. Yes. Okay. Now Aussie continue selling, but please take care. Okay, if you want to short now, grab and go. 5 pip, 10 pip. Okay, about 5-10 pips. Okay, just scalp and go. Okay, because this can be quite dangerous. Okay, because you are very near to the support. All right. Euro dollar. Are we good to sell today? Euro dollar. Well, euro dollar, I will say that we just need to wait for it to test on the resistance before we take action. Okay, although now it seems like we have some chance to sell. All right, but I don't encourage for euro dollar right now. Okay, right. So yeah. Pound dollar. Okay, let's take a look at pound dollar once again. Come back here. Right, pound dollar over here. Okay, things seems good. Okay, looks good as well. Okay, just hang on, pound dollar. All right. So in the overview of a pound dollar, we have been tested the support escalating to test on the resistance, which is now. Okay, so looks good. Okay, we have a red candle in all the time frame showing that every time frame, every moment selling is very possible. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, just hang on. All right, so I guess there's time. Right, we are also very near. The trigger has already coming in the entry signal. Just wait. Okay, just wait for M5. I want to see a green red candle and green red engulfing red candle again. Okay, then it will be safer that way. Okay, right. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's what we are waiting for. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, don't get yourself too excited that we may enter in a very not a good price to sell. Okay, right. Okay, so just go with next one. Let's go back to Aussie dollar. Okay, let's see. Aussie dollar. Right, let's see Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar right now doesn't look good. Okay, Aussie dollar. I'm waiting for it to. Aussie dollar is now moving. Okay, so moving against the trend, moving against our reading over here. So I guess this is not the right time. And will there be any chance that it's going to sell? No, tentatively no. Okay, Aussie dollar no. Okay, for now. Okay, so Aussie dollar no way. All right. Okay, so yep, just hang on and wait for it. Okay, so let's see. Euro yen no. Euro dollar not yet. Okay, so come back to pound dollar. Okay, yeah, pound dollar, yes, no good. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, pound dollar, which is not very good right now. Okay, it's going to retest the resistance. Okay, then let's see the resistance over here, which is the previous support. Okay, over here, and tested once over at this point. Okay, so become a resistance here. So let's see. Tentatively, I will still say that we have to wait. Plenty to wait. Okay, yeah, just hang on first. Just wait first. Okay, so today's Monday. So yep. Let's see, will there be any chance? Okay, will there be any chance for us to sell for this pound dollar and pound yen? Right. Okay. Pound yen. Riano. Okay. Pound yen. Tentatively, as we can see, this is what we call the tested. Okay. Now it's rejected. Okay. On the support from the support. It's rejected from the support here. So as I see here, okay, probably we may need to wait for a little while. Okay, we may need to wait for a little while over here. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, we are very close. Okay, we are very close in fact. Okay, so tentatively just hang on. I think the closest one will be pound dollar. The closest one may be pound dollar. Okay. Okay. Yep. So right now, okay, so just wait for a little while. Well, I guess at times, all right, there are some times that we need to wait. I guess now, as for the pound, okay, as for the pound, probably we just need a little bit of time. Just hang on, okay, so that we will be able to see some changes there. Okay, they are still working very hard. Okay, they are still working very hard. So rush. Okay, don't rush into it. Right. Okay, since we're just waiting for this pound dollar, okay, still working hard. Okay, I think probably we are left with about another 20 minutes away from the next H1 opening, so probably there may be some changes. So just hang on with that. Okay. Yeah. All right. So just give me a little moment. I will be back in a while. All right. Right, hello guys, I'm back. All right, refill my water. Okay, so that I can have a very nice vocal over the mic. Okay, so hi Alpha Batella. All right, I am finalizing certain strategies specific to Go, but I don't think you are into Go trades or setups. Yes, I'm not into Go. All right, but if you want to share with me, of course, no harm. Right. I'll be more than happy to listen. Okay. All right. So, yep. Let's see if you are talking about gold trading. Okay. So you're talking about gold trading over here. Right. Gold trading over here, looking at this gold. Okay. In the whole of this gold is coming back for a retesting. So, yep. Last week we were talking about this, where it will test the resistance and come back for a retesting. So the whole scenario has actually in fact it go with our plans. Okay, and now coming back, hits on our retest on the support, and now building up a higher support right now. Okay, looking good. Okay, looking good to buy. All right, so tentatively, by looking at this, okay, so with the same way as we are looking at the currency, right? Tentatively, I would say that the gold is still on the buy side. Okay, after the retesting over here, if you can see, this is very clear cut. That is after the retest over here. So the retesting and now building up, well, it's going for a buy right now. Okay, so gold is actually going for a buy. Okay, so I guess your strategy, you have finalized your strategy. I believe you have also tested out back testing for a few rounds. All right, so I guess it should be also working fine, working well. Okay, all right. Yep. So let's see. Okay. Yes, pound dollar, pound dollar. Yeah, we are coming for testing now. I will be starting trading using strategies on Wednesday 22nd of June to 15th of July. Okay. All right. I will be starting trading. Okay. All right. Sure. Shall wait for you. All right. Oh yeah. By the way, guys. Yeah. I won't be around on this Friday. Okay. So just to let you guys know. Okay. I won't be around on this Friday. So I will just be doing some analyzing. All right. On the Friday. So there won't be live trading on the Friday. Okay. Right. So we are all waiting for pound dollar to retest on the resistance once again. Okay, so before we take action. Okay. So tentatively, let's see. That is the resistance. Yeah, correct. That's the resistance. Right. The resistance over here. As you can see over here, they set up the resistance. It tested once, got rejected. And now it seems like it's going to retest once again. Okay, it's going to retest once again. So by looking at this part here, okay, let's take a look at this. Right now, okay, this is the Asian's high over here where the resistance is. So tentatively, I'm looking at that this pound dollar will have a very good chance to come back for selling. Okay, over at this point, all right, before they actually this is where I'm looking at. Yeah. Roger, yes, correct. Roger and Riano, all right, and Bradley. This is where I'm looking at. Okay, it will actually now is retesting on this Asian high resistance over here. Okay, this resistance is the Asian high here, and now we are actually we have a space of about 71 pips. Okay, currently looking at this. Okay, it should have about 71 pips to come back for a retesting. Okay, whether it will go back to a bear or it will swing higher, right? Or it will start to swing higher. So tentatively, I'm still waiting. Okay, so for pound yen, okay, pound yen currently, all right, pound yen currently, yeah, this is not yet, all right, and pound dollar tentatively, we are already waiting, we are already here. Okay, so in this resistance level already. Okay, so tentatively, I'm still waiting for it to come. Okay, right. Hi, Forex New Way. Nice to see you here again. Pound dollar is on 161.8 level. Okay, 161.8 level. So when you're talking about 161 level right now, okay. Okay, so go to 1 hour time frame. The key on the 15th June. On the 15th June, right? The key candle is on 15th June. The key candle is on the 15th June. Do you mean this one, 21 hour? That's a week above and below. Is this the one, 21 hour? Okay. I'm not wrong with this. Okay, so right now this is the one. Okay. I see. Okay, so over here, all right, pound dollar is ready to sell, correct? Pound dollar, by looking at this right now, I would say that pound dollar is actually ready to sell. Once over here, okay, right over here, okay, pound dollar actually the one that we are looking at is now ready to sell, correct? Okay, so by looking at this part here, wow, pound dollar looks very potential. Okay, I will say that will you go for 50 pips? Okay, tentatively by looking at this, all right, we have one on the first on the 38. Okay, and now we are selling. Okay, pound dollar. Okay. Okay. What is this? Yes. Okay, that's nice. Very nice. Okay, the selling is still very potential. Okay. Yep. Wow, so many people enter. Okay. All right, and okay, good. I guess this is pretty good. What GJ? Aiden, GJ? What GJ? Pound yen. Oh, okay. Pound yen is actually testing on the support right now. Okay, so hang on first. I guess I'll hang on first. I think yep. We have another 6 minutes to go. I guess pound dollar will be good. Okay, pound dollar will be good. Okay, CK, wow, TP, GU, and EU. Good job. Okay, very good. Right. So, yep. I guess this is quite good now. Okay. So, yep. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar right now by looking at this. Okay. Are we on the spot somewhere anywhere? All right. Okay, so Riano also same thing. Yep. Yes. Okay, good. Right. Aiden, TP or GU also. Okay, good job. All right, very good. Okay. All right, so not bad. Okay, this is just the beginning, and we got some TP over here. Okay, good. That's good. Okay, so I guess very likely GU. Okay. Oh yeah. Let me do this. It's better to do it this way. I think it's much clearer, right? Okay. Right. Forex new way. So we are back here again. Okay, so like now we are on the 161.8. Can I say, is it safe for us to hold the trade to 61.8? Is it safe for us to hold the trade until 61.8? Will that be possible? Do you think will that be possible? Okay, because I'm right now I'm actually quite concerned about one thing about here. That's I will be looking at the support here, this level of support. So this level of support is something that I'm concerned that over here, all right, somewhere there. Okay. Hi, Trans United. Good morning to you. All right, we have just talking about pound dollar. All right, we have entered the trade about 5 to 10 minutes ago. Okay, so yeah, this is something okay, so right now, okay, we are still looking, we are still on the pound dollar. Okay, we are still on the pound dollar. All right. See. Okay, let's see if right now we have actually coming down from, okay, estimate from about 22 pips already. Okay, so about 22 pips. Alan, you want 30 pips? Okay, you want 30 pips. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yep. Okay, so I guess it may careful with this trade. Yeah, okay, so be careful with this trade. Because overall, yeah, so right now over here, that's that will be something that I will say that those at TP really please don't enter first. Okay. Okay, for me over here, okay, for me, all right, as you can see M5 over here. Okay, I'm looking at M5 because lower down the time frame so that I can have a clearer picture of what I'm going to read. Okay, so over here it has actually formed the support here. Okay, so this part here, okay, I would say that now it's creating a lower resistance here. Correct. Okay, it's hovering. Okay, not a trending yet. But this area, if this support, okay, is not breaking off, okay, and forming a new resistance below this area, okay, I guess the selling will still be quite promising. Okay, the selling will be still quite promising over here. All right. Hi, Emmanuel. Is GU buying or selling in general? All right. Tentatively is looking for a selling. All right. Tentatively is looking for a selling. Okay, but will today be setting up for a higher lows? Just have to be careful whether today are we going to set up for higher lows. Okay, this is something that we have to take into consideration. Okay, if not, if it's not, then I'm still looking for a selling, because as we can see, basing on the pattern over here that we are trading now, right now is on the lower low. Okay, so coming back here, it seems like a selling for a lower low. So the selling trend is still quite promising, but it's just that we are at the edge, you know. We are at the edge. So right now, selling is possible, but creating a higher support, a higher lows for a buying also possible. We are at the edge. Okay, so just be careful with that. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. So right now, if you're asking me, right, tentatively, I would say that we are okay. Let me shift this down first. Okay, this is the area. Okay, this is the area that we just need to be very careful. Okay, this is the area we just need to be very careful. Okay. Yep. Oh yes, that's right. You need to look at this time frame on the month. You need to look at this on the monthly time frame. Okay, monthly time frame. Yeah, the monthly time frame. Yes, they're tested on the support rate over here. Okay. Okay. So why do we have to look at the monthly time frame for pound dollar? Okay. There's a question here. What's your view for watching this over this monthly time frame? Okay. Monthly time frame go to the what? The candle on the monthly time frame. Is that so? Is that on monthly time frame? Okay. This candle, right? Take the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. Okay. Okay, so I knew the bottom point 2 months advance. Okay. Okay. Now on the current candle, put the Fibonacci on the bottom and drag it to the top. Okay. Right, so from the bottom to the top. Okay. Yep. Okay. Right. Okay, guys, thank you for coming in. Right, so we are now on the sharing here. Okay, so that we are reading on this pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar over here. Yes, we are actually trying to get some sharing over here from all the viewers here. Okay, if you have any, you can share. Right, there is support at 61.8. There's a support at 61.8, which is this level. Okay, the green dotted line over here. Okay, right, the green dotted line here. So Monday is like Friday, so hard to trade on small capital. Friends United is saying that Monday is like Friday. It's so hard to trade on small capital. Well, it depends. Sometimes, at times, it is. Okay. So from Forex New Way over here, there's a support at 61.8. Okay, 61.8 is the support. Okay, which is your 61 is around this area. Am I right? Okay, it's like a fake out days. Yeah, that's quite true, huh? Okay, Monday and Friday are hard to trade because of the weekly candle. Yep. Okay, so yes, over this point, all right, over at this point here. So tentatively, okay, we are still, it is still hovering around this level. Okay. Yep. Okay, so I guess over at this point here, right? So for pound dollar right now, okay, well, by looking at pound dollar, it's a bit hovering over at this period of time. So if I'm not wrong, for Forex New Way, for pound dollar, you are looking for a buy. Am I right? You are looking for a long-term buy. That one is am I right to say that? Okay, so in 5 minutes you can sell, then after 1 minute you can buy, ranging with we have a US holiday. All right, same for pound yen. Yes, pound yen, that's right. Pound yen over here. Let's see. Yep, pound yen, correct. Okay. Yeah. Yes, pound yen. We are still on the support here. Okay, guys. So pound yen also looking for a long-term buy over here. Right. So tentatively I would say that for pound yen right now, yeah, it's on the sideways ranging around this area, so it's quite difficult. So over here we can just hang on first. Okay, pound yen, go to the monthly. Okay, so monthly, right? Okay, so let's see the pound yen. So let's do this. Pound Aussie, hang on, let me, Pound Aussie, right now, Pound Aussie, earlier on, before I start the live streaming, have taken one. Right now, it's quite near to the support, so I guess, this is not very advisable yet for selling. Okay. Right, so yes, Forex New Way, fourth candle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so give us a possible top of 173. 173 is over here. Okay, about 173. Yep. Okay. $173. Yep. Okay, I guess over here. So Forex New Way, you actually look at this monthly chart over here. Why the fourth candle? Is it because it's because of the volume? Correct. It's because of the volume. For pound yen, okay, for pound yen, the monthly chart is because of the volume that give us the indication that this is the controlling candle. Can I say that? Forex New Way. Okay. So I see. Okay, so right now, okay, so after you found out the controlling candle, okay, then you take the Fibo from the top to the bottom, okay, right, so that you can find you can find where is the most suitable one to actually enter for a trade, correct? Okay, so for dollar yen, right, dollar yen. How dollar go to 4 hours? Wait. Okay, let me go to dollar yen first. Okay. Dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen monthly chart. Okay. Can I say probably this is the one? Three large candle and three large green candle and one red, which has the most volume. That's my question for everyone. Large candle and one, two, three. Are you three large candles? Are you referring to this one? At the 1st of April, the 1st of April candle, one red one and then one green one. Oh, okay. So you're talking about this part here, huh? Okay. Two green, then one red. Two green, one, two, then one red. One, two green, one red here. Okay, over here. What does everyone think? Which candle has the most volume? Which candle has the most volume over here? Bradley and who? at least say center one. The one in the center. Piano also says center. Hubert, Alan says center middle. Okay. So 1st of April. Over here. The candle with the highest volume is the red candle. Oh, this one we have the highest red candle. The red one should be the red one. Why is it it's supposed to be a red one? Oh, I see. Okay, so I get you. This is what I told you before, fake volume. Okay, all right. Okay, this is what I told you before, fake volume. Right, you cannot look at the chart without looking at the volume. Okay. You will not know what candle has power. Okay. Yes, okay. So yeah, understand. Okay, so by looking at this at the end of this yen, okay, when I look at the volume indicator right now, it's tentatively among all these, okay, these three candle, yeah, this one has the highest volume. Am I right to say that, Forex New Way? By looking at it, this is actually because the blue indication over here is actually looking, yeah, actually it should be the this should be the highest one, okay, should be the highest one. So do I plot the Fibo on the red candle over here from the top to the bottom? So people who trade without knowing the value level will have trouble. Okay. Basing on this, okay, we have a question here. But basing on this red candle, which we know there's the highest volume, so what is the word? We keep the word is selling or buying. Is selling or buying. Oh, okay. So basically, I guess basing on that particular candle, okay, it's not to determine to sell or to buy. Is to plot out the Fibo level to tell us which level to sell, like example 161.8 to sell. Am I right to say that, Forex New Way? Forex New Way answer yes. Okay, so you have to find out which candle first. Okay, then we'll be able to you still have to understand the market direction. Yeah, you still have to understand market direction. Okay. Right. Okay, so right now, okay, understand this is okay with this. Let's take a look somewhere over. Okay. Pound dollar rising. Yeah, pound dollar is rising. Okay. Analyze GA. Let's take a look. How Aussie. How Aussie. How Aussie tentatively right now, if I'm look at how Aussie. How Aussie. I would suggest Pound Aussie right now because like I say, Pound Aussie over here, it has tested the support down here. Okay, but if there's a retesting of support, it's only about 16 pips. That is not very, you know, not very promising to me to sell. Okay, yeah. Bert was saying that Pound Aussie a bit tough. Okay, not enough space to sell. And in fact, it has tested the support last hour. Yep. Okay. Right. Go to 4 hours chart for pound dollar. Pound dollar 4 hours chart. Okay. Yes. Okay. 4 hours chart. With the long wick, with the long down wick green candle, long down wick green. Oh. Okay, so in this one, right? Okay, so let's plot it this way. Okay, so it should be right now. Okay, mark the Fibo from the top to the bottom. Okay, so this is the one. I'm plotting it out. Correct. This is correct. The price is trying to break out of this candle. Oh, okay. So the 100 mark here. Am I right? You're talking about 100 mark here. So current price is trying to break out of this. Okay, okay. So that being the highest volume candle. Okay. All right. So because of this candle, okay. So roughly that we are going to take note is that it will still go up to test, go up to this 161 level. Okay, then You can see the price came down to 61.8, which is this area, this one. Okay, this candle here. Then it started to retrace, right? But tentatively, okay, guys, just hang on with this. Okay, today Monday, yeah, it looks like right now. Right. So over here, okay, over here for pound dollar right now, we are still here. Okay, interesting point is now on the 4 hours candle, I'm getting a magenta candle, which means a big move is coming soon. 4 hours candle, fake out day. Yeah, fake out day, huh? Okay. So, you mean this candle over here? Forex new way over this part here? This hour on the 20th of June, large orders entered. The candles are small. Are you talking about this? That's why I use better volume. Okay. Right. Okay. Current 4-hour candle. The current 4-hour candle right now. Current 4-hour candle. You mean this current 4-hour candle appear to be magenta in your volume? Is it? On the 4-hour chart, yes. On the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, yes. That means move is coming. Currently, is showing magenta. Okay. Anyone on the volume on the better volume is showing magenta. It does not mean up or down. It just means a move is coming. Okay, okay. Move is coming. Okay. Many of them says that on their better volume now is showing blue. A standard volume, light blue. Yep. Yes. And you install it on your chart now. Okay, I can't install it right now. Okay, because I will install it later on. Okay, and tomorrow I come back with that. Yeah, because right now this part here, okay, just hang on for a while. Why? Okay, let me try this out first. Okay. Pound dollar, right? We are talking about pound dollar, am I right? We on the right. Are we on the right? Pound dollar H4. Pound dollar H4. Our dollar max volume now is 122.31. 122.31. Okay. 122.31. Okay, 122.31. Yesterday was 122.12. 122.12. Now the top of Asia today is exactly at the bottom of Asia yesterday. So do you mean this level? One, two, 12. On the top of Asia today. The price is basically sitting at the middle of Asia, undecided whether to go up or down. So right now over here. Right now over here, huh? Okay. 122 about there. 122 to 45. Okay. 122. Okay. RSI is still below 50. Yep. Okay. So coming in. Now we are approaching 4 hours opening. Okay. Now we are approaching 4 hours opening. So right now, are we going to pay attention to the 4 hours closing candle? Okay, how the 4 hours candle going to close? I mean, okay. Right. So I guess this is quite important over here, whether to decide whether if this candle is going to close, okay, it's going to close how is it going to close? That's what I meant, huh? Okay, so right now we are okay. Our dollar seems like hovering around at this sideways into a sideways situation. 4 hours may help to well, 4 hours it may help to move. It depends. Okay, so it depends on the volume as well. We must have the volume, okay, in order to move. Yes, that's right. Okay. Okay, let's take a look over here. Okay. We put this in. Okay, smaller up a bit. Okay, let me zoom out a bit. Right. So as we can see, the currently over here, right? Over here at this point here. Okay, this point here. Seems like we have been hovering around this area. Okay, all right. If anyone is using better volume, you should add a stochastic to it. Stochastic oscillator. You guys, Forex Traders was suggesting that if you're using better volume, you should add a stochastic to it. Okay, so stochastic to it, but what are the settings that you actually have in your stochastic? Delete the red line. Okay, use the blue line only. Okay, so just delete the red line, use the blue line only. Yeah, okay. Better volume has a moving average. Yes, has a moving average. When the stochastic is above the moving average, buy. when it's moving, when it's below the moving average cell. Okay, be careful since stochastic moves quickly. Okay, just bear in mind that you can put this stochastic into this better volume. Okay, you can put this into the better volume. All right. Quite boring today. Yeah, sometimes it got to be, sometimes yes, it is quite boring at times. Okay, of course, when there's movement, there can be very exciting. So at times like this, you just have to pay attention and just be very patient with situation like this. Okay, yeah. Right. So, is there any selling opportunity for pound dollar? Will there be any selling opportunity for pound dollar? I will still say that tentatively it's a short term selling. Okay, so tentatively I'm still looking at the level over at this part here because you can see it started to go sideways with testing on this level. Okay, so yeah, that is something that I want to be careful with that as well. Just hang on, just hang on. Okay, just I think it's good to watch it over first, right? Just be careful with that first. Okay, just hang on for a little while. Okay, so that Now it's still stuck around 161.8. Which one are you talking about? How dollar? Okay, how dollar? Still stuck around 161.8. Or 161. But the 161, this is not the one that we are plotting, right? Are we plotting at? Am I plotting at the one that you are referring to right now? Right now, the 100 mark is here, where this 100 mark you were saying that is actually trying to break out of the price of this candle. Am I right? Okay, so I don't really understand this one by this 161 still stuck around. No, we did it on the 1 hour time frame. Oh, I see. Okay. So 1 hour time frame. This one. And oh yeah. Forgotten about that. This is the one, right? Okay. I guess we are pretty near, okay, to this 161.8, and we are still very we are still very boring. Okay, you can see the top 2618. The top here is 2618. Okay, 261.8 here. Okay, this top here. Okay. And I guess actually not many people in this our dollar already. Or you have you taken your TP already? That is why it is better to enter at 61, not 1618. Enter 61, not 1618. So that means you are talking about buying trade, right? A buying trade. Am I right? You were saying that just now you were saying that that is why it is better to enter at 61.8, not 161.8. So 61.8 here to buy. Correct? Am I right? 61.8 starts the move. Start the move. You should have bought. Yes, correct. Okay. Yeah. That's right. Okay. Okay. So as of now, right? $161, the price could go to 261 or higher. Okay, 261.8 higher. Okay. Yes. Right, guys, we still have about 8 minutes to go. All right, so 8 minutes of time. Can I take these 8 minutes to quickly go to my toilet break? Okay, just give me a while. All right, thank you so much, and thank you for your patience. Let me go for a toilet break, and I will come back shortly. All right, thank you so much, guys. See you later. Hello guys, I'm back here with you, right? Thank you so much for waiting. All right. Okay, so coming back here, now we have our H4 opening, right? So right now let's take a look at H4 over here. Right now the H4, well, I think the H4 opening over here this way, I think well, pound yen, I don't think it's really good right now. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this pound yen, okay, by looking at this pound yen now, I won't say that it is good to sell. All right. Okay, so just take a look at this pound yen now. This is not no, sorry, not pound yen, pound dollar. I'm sorry, it should be pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar over here. All right, pound dollar, it is now opening up to coming to this one, like Forex New Way was saying that 160 161.8 over here. Okay, so tentatively just hang on. Yeah, no entry for any trade right now. Okay, so just wait for a little while. Okay, right, so how about pound yen? Okay, pound yen H4, let's take a look. Pound yen H4, pound yen H4 also not good yet right now. Okay, not as good, so tentatively, yeah, right. Okay, so pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Okay, pound franc. Pound franc. Now we are still a little bit away from this. Still in the Asia range for pound yen. Okay, that's right. Okay, so pound franc same as well. So pound yen over here. If you're looking at this, we are still within this range here. Okay, this is where this range over here, so not as good as yep, I do agree that. Okay, that's nice. Okay, thank you, Forex New Way. Okay, so how about pound Aussie? Right, pound Aussie, of course, not yet. Okay, not yet. Okay, yeah, I forgot to take a sip of water. Right. Yes, that's right. Yeah. Thank you for coming in again. Yes. If you happen to bypass this channel, do remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel because we are here to share. All right, to share how to trade here, and of course, if there's an opportunity, we can take a trade together. Right. Okay, so pound, be careful with pound yen. The 50 has crossed up on 200 MA on the 1 hour from the opening of the day. Okay, pound yen, right? Okay, so over at this point, yep. Yes, pound yen better not to. All right, so just be patient. Just be patient. Okay, so looking at pound yen is still moving on the upward trend right now. Okay. currently it's moving upwards. Okay, so not very ideal, right? So yeah, okay, so euro dollar, let's take a look. Euro dollar. Okay, every time when there's H4 opening, I will just check through. Okay, euro dollar, no. Okay, euro dollar tentatively no. We are still waiting for it to test on the resistance over here. All right. Okay, so Aussie dollar, yeah, euro dollar, yeah, would say that is on the second half. Okay, yeah, still on the second half. Okay, so tentatively no yet. Okay, so right now for Aussie dollar over here, Aussie dollar, yes, Aussie dollar over here, and still moving, still waiting for it to test on the resistance. Yes, still not yet. Okay, not yet. Hang on first. Okay, there may be some pullback, but better not to. Okay, because right now it doesn't looks very promising as well. Okay, yes, and yeah, today doesn't seem to have anything here. Correct. Okay. Yes. Once again, dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc over here. Dollar franc. Well, dollar franc looks good over at this point of time. Dollar franc. Yes, dollar franc. Dollar franc. Okay, we are now. I can see that it's actually coming in here. So we are still very tight over here with 13 pips of space. 13 pips of space. So basically, I would say that dollar franc still need to wait for a little while. Okay, dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc. Yes. Dollar franc is quite tight here. I think there will be some changes over here already. So this dollar franc, okay. Okay. Okay, how about dollar? Let's take a look at pound dollar right now. So pound dollar over here. Okay, so pound dollar is now actually moving upwards again. Okay, so not really very ideal. Okay, tentatively it doesn't look good. Okay, pound dollar. Yes. Okay, let's take a look. Pound dollar now. Pound dollar. Yeah, we are talking about pound dollar now. Yep. Okay. Pound dollar over here. No. Pound dollar, no. Pound dollar, currently, pound dollar, by looking at this, alright, pound dollar, I guess it's setting up a higher lows here. There are so many higher lows here as we can see right now. Okay, so tentatively, okay, but of course, we have one resistance over here. Okay, this area, as you can see over here, right? So at this point, this area here, okay, this area, right? So over at this area, and it may have a pullback. Over here at this point of time. Okay, so just have just to take note, okay, because this pound dollar may continue to go up to likely to go up to test the resistance up there, okay, this area, okay, this one, okay. So currently, okay, so with this over at this point here, now is the beginning. Now is the beginning of H4. Yes, the beginning of H4. So am I losing you? Okay, no, okay, okay. Right. Okay, so I'm still here. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so currently, if looking at this point here, and this is something not very good. It's not something very good here. Okay. I think this is this area is quite tough for pound dollar as well. Okay, it's quite tough for pound dollar. Okay, or selling over at this point here. Okay. If let me move it down lower. Okay, so pound dollar now tentatively I will still say no yet. Okay, still no yet. No. Okay, not at the right time yet. Okay, it's not at the right time yet. Right, so still have to go for a little bit more. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay, so yeah, pound dollar has already completed one range here. Okay, so now it's actually coming back. So right now I will still say that the pound dollar has turned. Okay, so just now we are actually looking at this. We're actually looking at the point that it will break the support over this area. Okay, in M5 to continue the selling. However, this area, okay, this area here, right? So it is not. Now it is not breaking up, and it's actually respecting the support. So actually still going up for a buy is still highly possible right now. Okay, going up for a buy is still highly possible. Yes. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Yes, it is correct. Okay. Over at this point, maybe M5 here. M5 here. Okay, so currently no. Currently, I'm still looking for a buy right now. So it is not very ideal yet. Yeah, it's still not very ideal yet for me to look for the pound dollar, right? You mean pound dollar? Okay. Yeah, pound dollar. No. Buying of pound dollar is still possible. Yes. Hang on. Yep. Just hang on first. Okay. So I guess pound dollar, by looking at this, right? Tentatively by looking at this point, I will want to. I guess I'm very likely over here to meet this resistance level first. Okay. So this is one area. Then probably that will be the point that we are looking at. Okay. As for now, okay, by looking at this, all right, by looking at this area, okay, by looking at this area of this resistance here, okay, this area, huh? Are you talking about this area? Okay, so let's see. This area, okay, very. Oh, okay, it's actually here. It's actually here. The 161.8 here. So there may be a retesting. There may be a retest of this this area, this level. Then when it's set up for a buying, so pound dollar will be likely into the buy. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar will be likely into the buy. Okay, right? Yes, that's right. Okay. Yep. Pound dollar likely to go for a buy. If I want to buy, okay, if I'm going to buy, okay, I'm going to wait for it to retest here, this level, and set up with a green or red and green candle, okay, for a buying signal. Then after that, I will be entering for a buy trade. Okay, so for buyers, it's good for you. All right, right. For sellers currently have to stay away first. We have to stay away first. Okay. Yes. Right. Correct. That's right. Okay. Possible. Okay. Very possible. Okay. Highly possible over here. Right. Yep. And by looking at this point, okay. Yep. Same. It's the same. Okay. Because I'll be looking at this point here. Okay. This point here. So any setup here for buying signal in this area. Okay. Very likely we are going for a buy. All right. Yeah, that's right. Okay, for those who just came into my channel, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel over here so that we can and share our view and our points here, all right, so that we can trade and together and share our knowledge together so that everybody will learn it together as well. Okay, so thank you very much for that. All right, so right now pound dollar, just wait, just hang on for a little while for the setup first. Okay. As for pound yen, okay, pound yen over here. By looking at this pound yen, I guess pound yen is still on the sideways running. Okay, now it's still struggling there to test on the support once again. Okay, the support over here, right? This area of support. Okay, yeah, this area of support. Okay. That's right. Okay, pound yen. Okay, let's sorry, pound. Pound dollar. No. I won't be entering a selling trade right now unless you are trading on the pullbacks. Okay. So currently I will still be going for a buy for pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar is still good for a buy right now. By looking at it right now. Okay, so tentatively, is there a selling opportunity? I think the selling opportunity may be just a pullback. Okay, it looks like a pullback over here. Yes. Yep, that's right. Okay, so dollar franc. No, dollar franc is too tight. No, no. Okay. Dollar yen, I'm still waiting. Okay, not yet. Dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, not yet. I'm still waiting for it. So, pound dollar. I guess yeah, pound dollar. We just talked about it, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this pound yen. Okay, pound yen over here. Pound yen. Okay, we have where's the the resistance here. Okay, so pound yen over this part here. Okay, over at this part here, pound yen. If there's a selling of this testing, when there's a selling, is a testing of this support over here, which we stands about 44 pips. Okay, 44. So 44 pips, of course, it depends on where did you enter. All right. So if this one, okay, as we can see, there is currently for pound yen is actually still testing on the support. Okay, it's still testing on the support right now. Okay, if it's coming for selling, so right now this is not really a downward trend yet. Okay, so selling of this pound yen, you may have to take note of the support level over here. Okay, the support level over here. Yes, that's right. Because for pound yen, I'm still waiting for it to reach to test on the resistance. Okay, I'm still waiting for it to test on the resistance. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Yep. And pound franc over here, it looks good to sell, but then again, is that we are very near to the support level. So just be very careful with this. Pound franc, I'm not looking at this at the moment. Pound Aussie, all right, pound Aussie. Right now, as of pound Aussie, by looking at pound Aussie now, pound Aussie should be looking at selling, all right. Also take note of the support level. Okay, the support level is actually about 30 pips away. Yes, it's about 30 pips away. Okay. Yeah, pound dollar. What about pound dollar? Okay, pound dollar is coming back to retest the previous resistance as a support. Okay, so just take note. Okay, just take note. Yes, that's correct. Okay, that's right. So yeah, tentatively we are retesting. Okay, now pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, if pound dollar, let's say if pound dollar, right, if pound dollar breaks in here and retest the resistance once again, okay, then yeah, probably that may have a good selling, that maybe have a good selling opportunity. Yep. Yes, that's right. Okay, correct. So yeah, this point is quite important. Okay, this point is quite crucial that we just need to take a look over here. Okay, usually, okay, like this point, although this is the previous resistance, am I right? So usually when the price actually break this and break this level, okay, and we are coming back for from this perspective or H1 perspective, we are actually still testing on the resistance. Okay, we are not and M5 is testing to break. So in M5 over here, if we are here to retest the resistance, it will become a support. So for this point here, when it becomes a support, okay, like now, if there's a rejection candle over at this current candle, if the next candle open happen to be a green candle, a buying candle, very likely it will still continue the buying. Okay, it will still continue the buying, right? Yeah. So yeah, that will actually gives the it will still give us a signal that the buying is still possible. Correct. Okay. All right. Yep. Today, yes, we are a bit boring, okay, but this is what we will go through during a trading journey. Sometimes, sometimes it will be exciting, going downwards according to our plan in our trend. But at times it will not, okay. Sometimes it doesn't go against us. Even if it go against us, okay, it will be much easier and simpler. Then we know, okay, now it's going in another direction. We don't have a choice, okay, we don't have anything, okay, that is very clear. But when there are things that is hovering around, like in the sideway, of course, there's also times that it can be very boring. Am I right? It can be very boring here. No entry of trades. It can be boring. I understand that, but it's safe that we don't enter a trade to be dancing inside the market, which is very torturing in terms of emotional wise. Am I right? Okay, so yeah, just keep it. We are, the heat is not as hot as last week now. Okay, at this point of time, so just bear with it. Okay, just bear with it. All right. Yeah, for pound dollar over here, for pound dollar, right now we have a rejections from the previous resistance as a support. So you look at the pound dollar in terms of M5, now we have a red candle coming with a green candle of a rejections here, correct? A rejections here. So if the next green candle, like current candle, it can go above, okay, to actually then this is I would say that this is really good, okay, to buy, right? Okay, so over here, when I plot this over here at this point, okay, as we can see, this is actually the previous last Friday lows of the Asian market right over here. So very likely it seems that it's going to break into that and continue the buying, alright, continue the buying to test on the resistance. So where this is the resistance over this area, okay, and this will be the Asian high, okay, of last Friday, okay. So probably for buying, we have almost about a 90 pips of space, okay, a 90 pips of space. That is very likely, right? So currently, okay, it is still struggling around this area. It's still struggling around this area, whether it will go into that area to go up furthermore. So pound dollar for in this session, probably it will be going for looking at it is going for a buying. All right, so it depends on this area here. Okay, will it set up a buying, okay, to continue the buying? Okay, so yeah, so this is also the first half is actually gone for selling, so probably buying is possible. Yes, Roger, yeah, you can say that. Okay, but of course, tentatively we still have to monitor how it moves before we make a decision. Yeah. Okay. Our dollar is I would say that there's much opportunity, okay, like a pound yen as well, okay, pound yen as well. So pound yen, yeah, pound yen. The pound yen first half, the selling, I think no more. We have tested one of the test on the support over here. So currently, it's going to look out for a resistance. It's going to look out for a resistance. Yes. Okay. So same thing for pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. So if we are looking at pound dollar in H1 here, okay, so over at this part here, this part, okay, in the last trading day of this part here, this is actually now the support and become the resistance here, but it's actually now breaking through. So we need to wait for another hour. We need to wait for another hour. Okay. For me, I will wait for another hour. Why do I have to wait for another hour? It's because I want to check that this hour, the closing of this current hour candle, okay, will it go into this area of support, and then it will started to rise. Okay, it will started to escalate to the next higher resistance. It will be looking for another next higher resistance to sell. All right. Yes. Okay. Alternatively, actually like what we are looking at right now. Okay, if you can see, this is also one that we are looking at on this part here. In the overview over here from the support, it's actually having a higher support, higher support, higher support. Correct? A higher support over here. So right now, as we are looking at this higher support over here, it's actually moving. If we are going up this way, we are moving towards the bull. We are moving towards the bull right now. Okay. So moving towards the bull right now. Yes, and but still waiting for the whole setup of the buying signal coming in first. Yeah. Okay. Yes, that's right. This area is quite sensitive now. Okay, this area is quite sensitive to me now. So yeah, you see as it can it's breaking in. Okay, as it's breaking in, so probably we might want to see that will there be a retesting again. Okay, after the retesting of the resistance. Okay, if it's not breaking up again, then probably the selling signal is coming back. So this is a double. We are at the edge. We are at the edge here. Yes, we are at the edge. We are at the edge. So currently it's acting like a support. Okay, currently it's acting like a support. Right? Yeah, we are so over here we are just waiting. Okay, we are just waiting for it to happen. Okay, that's right. So currently we have to be patient to wait and making sure that okay we have to see that it is still in our trend. Okay. Right. So right now, okay, currently over here, okay, let's see. Is it a good time now? Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay. It's not really a good time yet. Okay, so Yeah, just wait first. Just wait first. Okay. Hang on. Hang on. Yeah. Yes. Right. So to enter a trade right now, no, no, no. Okay. Not to enter a trade right now. Okay. Just hang on because for pound dollar we are at the edge. Remember we are at the edge. Okay. So it can be buying, it can be selling there. Okay. Right. Okay, so for this case, right now, I'll be waiting for a retesting. Okay, let's say if I'm here. Okay, so I won't enter a trade now. Okay, I will wait for retesting first. A retest over on this resistance and it's not breaking up and coming down for a selling. Okay, I think that will be a good chance for me to sell. Okay, that will be a good time for me to sell. Right? So we have to take note of things like this so that we will be able to tell, okay, is it a good time for the selling, right? So I will wait first, okay? Just hang on, okay? This may not be the good time yet, huh? Okay, right? Hey, just hang on a little while. All right. So please wait. Okay, please wait. Okay, this part here, now this part here, huh? Okay, so right now by looking at this over here, well, I think it's quite close. Pound dollar, all right, pound dollar, we can take note of pound dollar, right? We can take note of pound dollar that this pound dollar over here, okay, it should be looking at seems like selling is quite possible, okay, but I will want to wait. I will want to wait for the retesting, okay, retesting first, okay, before I take action. All right, just hang on first because I think it is also quite close, okay, quite close. So over at this part here, there's one good chance that we can take a selling trade. Okay, we can take a selling trade over here. Okay, but the selling trade over here by looking at this one selling by higher lows here. Okay, so just be very careful, okay, for the support level that we are looking out for. Okay, so we have another, say, another 20 around there. Okay, so just be careful with this level. Okay. Yeah, pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Okay, so pound yen. Yeah, pound yen over here. By looking at this, pound yen is actually looking out for this support about another 35 pips. About another 35 pips to go. Okay. Okay, so pound dollar again. Pound dollar. Pound dollar from here to here. We have about 8 pips. Probably it may. Okay. Okay, so hang on with pound dollar first. Go to daily. Yes. Okay. Take this away. Right, so pound dollar right now is actually coming back here to retest, okay, the resistance over here, as we can see. Okay, third candle, okay, this candle, okay, so we are talking about this candle. From the top wick to the bottom. Okay, yes. $61 is the resistance. Okay, 61.8 is the resistance. Okay, so as you can see, guys, okay, 61.8 here is the resistance. Okay, so does that mean that at this level actually selling is possible? Now drag the figure from the bottom to the top and you will get the support level. Bottom, I'll drag from the bottom to the top and you'll get the current support level. Or you mean the 61.8 as well, correct? So just now was here. Okay, so the 61.8 to 61.8 here. Am I right to say that? This area? Are you talking about this area? So that is the support area. Correct. Okay. All right. That's good. Okay. Right. So as guys, you can see over here, this is the resistance level and this is the support level. Okay. So the Red dotted line here is done. So this is the range here, okay, over at this part here. So this can be this area can be the one of the area that we can take reference to. Okay, resistance is 1, 2, 2, 6, 7, 8. About there. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Right. And the support is 121803. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Good. Hi, Emilio. I'm new, so do we need to sell now or what? In this area, okay, in this area for pound dollar, it's actually pretty tight. Okay, the space is pretty tight. Put an alert on both lines and wait for a breakout. Okay, so over here at this point, okay, what we are looking at is that for pound dollar, if we want to buy, the price has to break above this range. Okay, if we want to sell, the price should break below this range. Okay, so below this dotted line, the green dotted line, the red dotted line. If we want to buy, okay, so if we want to sell over here, right? So tentatively, okay, we are in this range here. So it seems like direction is not that clear. But if we are going to grab some opportunity, okay, once it retests on this and it's not breaking out when it's come back, okay, probably that will be a good time. Okay, so but this is very tight, huh? This space is very tight, so just take note. Okay, be careful with this. Okay, so right now overall how is starting to go up, probably would not look for sell. Yes, okay, because over here, as what we are looking out for the whole trend, the support here, we have a higher lows, higher lows, higher lows over here. So with this, all these are higher support, it seems like it's pushing up furthermore. Okay, it's pushing up for furthermore. Okay, so currently, okay, tentatively, we are still looking out for a buying over here, right? So just hang on to, let's see if we break out above here. Then when you break out over this, then likely the buying is very possible. Okay. All right, so coming in now. Okay, so looks like pound dollar, we are still in the range, right? So this range over here in H1, like we saying over. So breakout over here, it is a good time to buy. If it's now going downwards, I think selling is still possible. All right. So over here, we are waiting for things. We are waiting for it to give us a clearer picture. So right now, selling of this over here, like I say over here, if it's not going up that to break out, okay, so probably it will have a chance to go down, test on the support to see whether that support will break, so that there will be a good chance to sell. Okay, right? So that's for pound dollar. Okay, that's for pound dollar. Yes, that's right. Okay, pound dollar. Right. Okay. So Well, once again, I think today looks like I think I guess okay overall I guess before the pound dollar start to buy, okay, I guess it should be looking out to retest the support, okay, to come down to retest the support before it actually escalating up again. So I'm looking at this the selling, okay, from now, okay. Probably there may be a chance that it may come down, okay, come down, test on the support, then after that we'll continue the buy. I guess that is highly likely. Yes, that's by looking at this previous because of last Friday, okay, yeah. Hi Mei Mei, today no trade for me. BCS, what? Where's bank holiday? Yes, okay. You guys got any trade earlier on pound dollar? Yeah, pound dollar. Okay, earlier on was pound dollar. Okay. Yes, now pound dollar. After that, now we are still waiting. BCS equals because. Okay. I see. Okay, I got it. All right. Okay, so currently we are still waiting for something, okay, that actually can give us some rates here, but still in the range. We are still in the range. So like example, pound yen over here. Yeah, I think this part here we are also going into the stage of still within this range, hovering around. There's still not really a very clear direction for us to continue. Okay, so not yet. Yeah, probably this may go very slow. Okay, so it also means that probably we don't have enough volume. Okay, so currently just have to be patient and wait. Okay, so if you have any questions, okay, then we can share here. Right? How many pips you got on the pound dollar today? Some got about 10, some I don't know, I can't remember. Some 10, some 15. Yeah, I guess so. Earlier on, that's a very earlier on. Okay, so yeah. Yes. Okay, so right now I'm still waiting. Okay, because I'm still waiting for some opportunity over here. Thank you, Mei Mei. Thank you very much on behalf of the rest. Pound franc also, okay. Pound franc, we are still working on. Now is the breaking of the support here, as you can see. So waiting for the retesting, okay, before it continue the selling. Yes, over at this side here. Well, as you can see right now, the price over here, support is right below, correct? The support is right below here. Okay, so this point here, I think is still quite challenging. Yeah, it's still quite challenging over here. Right, so now by looking at this kind of boring. Well, it's okay, but we can still wait for a little while. Okay, do you guys see any opportunity here? Right, if you see any opportunity here, do let us know, then we can analyze it out together. Okay, so see that if any chance. right now, okay, for me, if I'm looking out for pound dollar, okay, pound dollar, it looks like at least 4 hours, okay. This 4 hours candle, okay, for the past after it's hitting on the support, is moving upwards right now. So it may create a lower resistance, a lower highs over here. So in this case, okay, but by lowering down the time frame, like lowering down the time frame to go into H1, okay, I see that tentatively is also moving up to test on the previous support as a resistance right now. Okay, so I guess this should be some very I would say that not very high volume. I would say it's moving very slowly today, even from the starting of the market. It's not very, there's no any big movement as well. So today it seems like it's moving quite slow. And when I'm moving down to like smaller time frame, 30, 15, M5, see that we are moving very slowly. And now it's actually I'm waiting either for it to create a new lower resistance, a new lower high, or test on the resistance without breaking and continue the selling. Then that is the point that I would like to sell. Okay, that would be a point that I would love to sell. To sell, but yes, to sell, but of course, we are looking out for also the space. We have to look out for the space to make sure that we have enough space to sell for our profit over here. Okay, that's for pound dollar. Okay, so in this case over here at this point here, all right. So we can actually take on this to see. On 1 hour time frame, pound dollar is between 50 and 200 hours moving average. So at least have to wait for one of those average to break. Yes, likely. All right. So one point over here that now as for pound dollar, okay, pound dollar is still hovering. It's going to be a long wait. Okay, I think it's going to be a long wait over here. Then after that, once it breaks either the 50 or the 200, okay, so it will be much clearer. Actually, right now for pound dollar, we are just waiting for a clearer picture. Okay, we are waiting for a clearer picture to determine where it is going before we start trading, right? Okay, so this is that is why also we should also take note. Okay, take note about it so that we are not trapped in between here. Okay, so to see that the direction is going, we are now all waiting patiently. Correct, Flora, you are right. Okay. Okay. I would say that tentatively selling, there may be a chance. Okay, there may be a chance for the selling to break the MA. Okay, watch 1228, 122.80 for selling. 122.80 for selling. So that's quite high up, huh? Okay, so it should be around here. Okay, so it should be around here. 122.80 for selling. Okay. That is the 200 MA. It's about in the middle of the Friday Asian session. Aha, okay. Yeah. That's right, guys. Correct. Okay. I guess so. Okay. Because I think currently okay. Currently what is that? If that level is broken, it will go up to test the Asian high at 12.33. Okay. Right. I think yeah, that's right. If this level is broken, okay, then very likely it will still go up to this level. Okay, 1.2330. 2.330, yeah, around here. Okay, around this area. Yes, of course. Okay, let me put this back first. Let's see the question that you want to ask. M5. Okay, basing on the system here, at M5 right now, are you looking for a retesting of the resistance? Okay. Yes. Yes, I'm waiting for testing of a resistance there. What if there isn't any retesting? Then it should have lower resistance. Then that is where we can capture some. So now we are waiting for either to happen. Yes, correct. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So H1 has opened. Would you like to check it out? Okay. H1 has opened. All right. H1 has opened. Yes. Okay. So currently, I would say that tentatively, I'm looking at one. Still all right. Okay. So we can still wait for a while. Mark the Fibo from 12267 down to the in H1. Okay, so 122. One, 2, 2, 6, 7. 1 hour time frame. 1, 2, 2, 7. Down to yesterday low. Top of 2 red candle. Top of 2 red candle. Now 1.8 is the maximum volume area. In now this is the maximum volume area. 1, correct? If 61.8 holds, we will go to 161. Oh, I see. Okay. If 161 exactly here, this area, right? This one. that is about, so we are only about 17 pips away. Hey, so guys, do you understand? Do you have any questions here? Do you have any question? Right. Okay, so pound dollar, and you call, is this what you call the lower resistance over this point? Yes, okay. Yep. Yeah, this one. Okay, so yes, I'll be taking a trade like this. Okay, I'll be taking a trade like this. Okay. Yeah, I'll be taking a selling trade like this. Yes, and okay. I guess this we have to look out for the support level. Okay, the support level like over here 115. One of the support here is about 12 pips to go. Okay, right. All right. Okay. So this point here, yeah. Just hang on first. Just hang on first. Okay. Let's see. Right, it is quite struggling for everybody, right? I believe so. Okay, yeah. Yes. Okay. Pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar. I will be taking a trade. Yeah, I'll be taking a trade, but it's going to short term. Okay, it's going to be short term. Okay, right. Yep. Okay. Is it still going well? Right now, I would say that tentatively, I will still be looking at not bad. Okay. Quite okay. Yes. Still quite okay. Yeah. Okay, so can we actually still now you mean Roger, do you mean now? I guess I'm not sure which one are you talking about? Please be more specific. Okay, please be more specific. Okay. Pound dollar, can I enter now? Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, if you are to enter now, okay, I will say that yes, you can, but pound dollar, yes, you can enter now, but remember that we are on a very tight space here. We don't really have a lot of space. Okay, so first of all, if you have entered this pound dollar, so just remember that one support over here first. Okay, if this support has been broken, then the very next one we can go lower. Okay. Correct. That's right. Awesome. Okay. Yes. Okay, so at this point, it should be creating, okay, this I would say this lower. Okay, yes, this is another range is coming. Okay, so do take note. Okay, right, so take note of it. Okay. Right. So okay. So please be careful. Huh? Okay. Right. So over here, okay, can you see over here? Tentatively, it's going to respect the purple lines here. Can you see? Okay. Okay, so right now, okay, just hang on for another. Yeah, this is the new M5 opening, so please be careful. Let's see will it continue. Okay, tentatively by looking at this point here, I'm going to see that the M5 looks like it will still continue to test. Okay, so yeah. Likely, okay, very likely it will still continue to test on the purple line here. Okay, this area. Okay, we are like a Forex New Year was saying that we are going to test on the 61.8 here. Okay, so this is one of the support which actually is also very near to. It's also creating as a very tight area for us. Okay, it's going to be a very tight area for us. So by looking at this point here, we are now with left with about 9 to 10 pips away. Okay, 9 to 10 pips away. So I would say that it will be good that we just pay attention when the price actually reaches this area here. Okay, this area. If there is a new resistance, another lower resistance below and around this area, okay, I guess this will be a better one. Okay, that will have a sign that it will still continue to go selling. Okay, all right. Yes, that's right. Okay. Well, I mean, everyone has their own strategy to make a profit. So I will say that in fact, every strategy works. Okay, every strategy works. Okay, but it's a matter of how well versed you are with the strategy and where did you enter for a trade at the point of time. Where did you enter for a trade? Okay, so yep. Yes, that's right. Okay, so that's the whole point. Yeah, the whole story over here that you can slowly. I mean, today is very slow. Can I say that there's one resistance actually coming along at the point of 122.421? 122.421. Let me see. 422 421 122 421 421 yeah, around here, yes, around here. Okay, entry is not important, it is how you manage the trade. Okay, that's true also. Okay, I think I'm going to take a small buy now. Okay. Why do you want to take a small buy now? Because it's near to the 61H where you think that this is the support level. This is the support. Okay. It is on the 61.8 for 30-minute time frame. It's on 61.8. 61.8. $61.8 on 30 time frame. This 30 time frame. Really quite get it on the 30 minutes time frame over here. Six, 7 candle week from seven. Okay, this one. Oh, from the top to the bottom here. Oh, I see. Okay. So you are talking about this over here. I see. Okay. I get what you mean now. Okay. This area buy or sell is also risky. I'd rather wait for a breakout. Right, I get you now. Okay, so right now, okay, it's coming back here. Okay. Buy so far. Yes, it's a good buy so far. Yes. Yes. Okay. So tentatively, right now, okay, we are we are right now on this pound dollar. So there are some buys order. Okay, there are some buys order. So currently, is that considered a rejections over that this point here at 100? Yep. Need to break the 6-week. 122.47. Okay, which is about here. 122.47. Okay. So this one, right? This one. Around this area. Level, right? Okay. Okay, so yes, that's correct. Yep. Okay. I'm taking a selling trade. Okay, we have buyers and we have sellers coming here as well. Okay. This might have just been a small bounce of the 50 MA. Okay. Yep. Okay. All right. Okay. So good. Yes. It's still coming back to test on this 61.8 level now. Yep. Well done. Well done. Okay. Pound Aussie. Okay. Let's. Yes, Pound Aussie breaking out of the support now. Okay. Good try. Okay. That's good, Jeff. Okay, Jeff. Very good. Okay. Good. Then for pound dollar, what we are looking out for, the rejections here, and now depending on the next M5. Okay, next M5. Right. Still holding on. One still holding on. Okay. I guess pound dollar over here. Okay. Okay. Right, so now we are testing on this level right now. Okay, looks pretty good as well. Okay, let's test Bradley, congratulations, pound dollar TP. Okay, good. All right, so hang on. Okay, just hang on first. Okay, same thing going on. Okay. Okay, so have about 3 minutes to go. Okay, we have about 3 minutes to go over here. Well, that's pretty nice. And watching on the pound dollar now, slightly test again and bouncing around, dancing around. So what are you talking about, Hubert? I cannot get what you're talking about. It's a very boring first half. So still waiting. So I dance with it in front of my PC, my kids. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, okay. Well, and okay, right now as we can see, all right. Hi, Sumi. Hi, Mr. Sumi. Nice to see you here. Okay, we are just we are still on the pound dollar today, very slow. Okay, we are on the pound dollar. We are today very slow today. Okay, so still hovering around. Okay, so go for something. Okay. Yes, pound dollar. Pound dollar. Okay, if hi Ganesh. Okay, Ganesh. India living in Germany now. Oh, I see. All right. From India living in Germany now. Okay. Pound dollar is actually now bouncing around and it is only, but okay. Okay, I Junai. Do I pronounce your name as Junai? Okay. We are looking out for pound dollar. Okay, we are looking out for pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar right now. Okay, if you scroll back, we are now still waiting for a good chance because right now pound dollar is right in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so we are looking at this level, this area, whether it will break out either area. Okay, so either this level to buy or this level to sell. Okay, so tentatively it's still in the middle of nowhere that we are all still waiting for the good chance. Okay, right. Today we have US is having a bank holiday right now, so likely in the US hour. Okay, perhaps the volume may I don't know, maybe it will become a bit slower. Okay, today. Right. Okay. So, yep. It is very struggling since we've been waiting here. Over here. Okay. Over here. Just now. Who was saying that the level 1, 2, 2, 4 something, right? Okay. Yes. I can't remember just now. There are so many messages. Okay. Yeah. Just now I remember somebody was asking me that this over at this support here. Okay, has become a resistance that actually give a rejections over at this point. Okay, there's a rejections at this point. Let me zoom in. Okay, this one. Okay, so right now it's actually testing on Forex New Way was saying that 61.8 here. Okay, is support. Okay, this is 30 minutes here on the support. Okay, over here. So right now it's actually testing now to break the level of this candle here. Okay, this candle. So it's still it is still quite struggling at this moment. Yeah, it's still quite struggling at this moment over here. Okay. Yes, very struggling. Right, that's right. Okay, so right now as we can see, right now on the 61.8 here is also moving at this my purple line. There is moving support over here, so it's still respecting that support. Yeah, it's still respecting that support, but of course it also it's still in the middle. It's really very tough over here that we are looking at, that this is right now still struggling around in this area to break that support. Okay, to go further down. right? And looking at pound yen, okay. As we can see, pound yen is also very similar. That it's actually going the sideways now. Actually, not much difference. No, not much different for pound yen right now. And we are actually somewhere around 39 pips away from the support. But still struggling. There's no clear signal that pound yen is going anywhere yet. Okay. Yep. Pound dollar. Pound dollar, let me do this first. Pound dollar. I still see pound dollar right now still in the middle. But okay, let's see. Okay, just now we were talking about this level, these two level. Okay, so these two level, you can see the green dotted line and the red dotted line. Okay, so we are still in this middle. You are still in the middle of nowhere here. Okay, so there may be a swing from here down to this support to test whether to break. Okay, so that it will go further down. Otherwise, okay, it will still go up and test on the resistance to see if it break further up. Okay, so right now it is hovering around this area, this whole area here. So if there's a, I mean in this whole range here, okay, in the whole range area here, we have about 70 pips. Okay, we have about 70 pips. So either way, okay, if you are going to sell, all right, so make sure be very careful if you are going to sell, because right now, as we can see, higher lows, which is a higher support over here, which may be a buying signal for the trend. Okay, the trend is on the buying signal. So with that, if there's a chance that it's actually swing down, okay, probably you can grab some from there. Okay, that that probably is also testing on this area to go for selling. Okay, so but of course, based on the overview, okay, the buying is possible. Buying is possible over here, right? Okay, so right now, by looking at this here, are we going to retest the resistance now over? Sorry, so it should be around here. So will it go for retesting? Okay, so that it will continue the buying, right? Or if not, then selling, because right now it's actually going for a lower resistance. Okay, go for lower resistance, and now after retesting over at this resistance here, it got rejected. And selling of right now over here is still not that clear yet. Okay, it's still not that clear yet. So by looking at this point here, there's a minor resistance over at this point, so that we can see there's some rejections around this area. It may reach to this area. There is about 10 pips of space. Okay, there is about 10 pips of space. Okay, so just be very careful. Okay, just be very careful over here. Yep, and yeah, today everyone have to be more patient. Okay, today we have to pay out a lot of patience. Okay, we have to be very, very patient. Okay, yeah, just be patient. If not, okay, we have to pay out losses. Okay, so just make sure that we are actually looking at the chart and going with the trend, okay, so that we are not going in the wrong way that are going to incur very big losses over here, right? Okay, so yep, just stay put first. I will suggest currently based on current now. Okay, right at this moment. Okay, I will suggest just hang on first because tentatively I don't see any opportunity right now. Okay, so we will be able to see after I think maybe another 10 minutes or so since we are moving into the next H1 opening. Okay. Right, so over here, okay. Now we are about 472. Okay, 472 here. Which is today. This is the. Can I say this is the Asia high over today? Okay. So right now, okay. From here right now I see that like now we have about one. Okay, I guess right now is actually going for now it's on the buy side right now. Okay, it's on the buy side. Up here. Oh, well, guys, I think this is going to be slow. I'll just hang on with this. I think just hang on with any entry. Okay, just hang on with any entry today, right? So just to make sure that right now is actually the buying is actually coming into actually going for going for this breaking out of this Asia high right now, and this is something that we should be paying attention to. So selling tentatively is no for now. Okay, definitely no. We are looking at this area of resistance right now. Just to see, okay, if this is going to break out, okay, this range, and the buying is possible. Buying is possible until this level somewhere here. Okay, somewhere in this area. Okay, right. Okay. No entry so far until now. Okay. Well, it's going to test on the resistance once again. Okay. So, well, guys, I think that's about all for today. It doesn't seem like there's anything for me to enter. Just have to wait for the setup first. Okay. If the resistance is broken, then probably there will be a buy signal coming back again. Okay, right. So first of all, okay, thank you. The rest for your contribution, like Forex New Way. Okay, and you have entered a buy, right? Okay, so I guess now it's on the profit. So I think that's pretty good. Okay, so congratulations to you. Okay, so I shall once again, I think probably I shall see all of you tomorrow. Okay, I shall see all of you tomorrow. Okay, then today I shall end the live streaming here, since we don't have much things to take a look right now. Okay, quickly just go through once, like dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc we have already selling. Okay, it's already on the selling side here. Dollar franc. Okay, so from this part here, since this part selling, retesting on the support over here, we have gone down for about 25 pips already. So, and pound yen. Okay, pound yen, we are on the moving upwards now. Okay, so pound franc, once again, pound franc. Okay, we have nothing over here. So earlier on, those who have taken the profit over the other side. Okay, so that's good. Our Aussie, same thing. Okay, so currently no, not yet. Okay, so nothing much also. Okay, so euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar over here. Euro dollar, I'm still waiting for it to test on the resistance. Okay, I'm still waiting for it to test the resistance. So still a long way to go. So next to go, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. No, not yet. Okay, so still waiting for it to reach the stage. Okay, my level here, still a long way to go, and not yet. Aussie dollar, not yet. Okay, all right. So yep. So that's about all, guys. And I shall see you guys tomorrow. Okay, today we don't have anything here. Okay, so well, remember to come back tomorrow once again. All right. So I'll be seeing you tomorrow, and today that shall be the day. And let's enjoy the holiday for US as well, the bank holiday. Okay, so thank you guys for attending this session with me today. All right, I shall wish you good luck with multiple of profits, and also thank you so much for coming in here. I shall see you tomorrow. Remember to click on the like button to show your small token of appreciation for the effort behind the video, as well as also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can come in and share our views together and trade together for profits. And lastly, click on the like button. Right, bring out the notification. Okay, so that when I go live, you will get the notification so they can come in on time together. Right, thank you so much, guys. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again tomorrow. Good luck.